Okay. Now next program, actually this is our objective. The question is finding the greatest number between given two numbers. You know this program already, we already studied in the previous classes. How to read this, how to solve this. We have to take two numbers a equal to 5 and b equal to 7, where a is 5 and b equal to 7, which are of integer type. So for this programming point of view, we will take this line where int a equal to a comma b are two variables. This is declaration part, and this is a assignment part. Also we can call this as initialization. Later what we have to do, if we have to provide some if else condition. If a greater than b, then print a, else we have to print b. This is very simple for finding a greatest number, right? The same question if we ask for solving given numbers, if I modify the program as using pointers. Okay, now this is the question, how to solve. See, the same program as it is, but we have to use pointers. So using pointers, we have to declare pointers. So how we declare the variables, the same way we have to declare pointers also. So I am declaring like this. I am taking p comma q are two pointer variables. Therefore, int star p comma int star q, in a single line it is possible to declare. Okay, how to read this? P is a pointer variable which is of integer type. Q is also a pointer variable which is of what? Integer type. After declaring the pointers, what is the scenario? Scenario will be like this. Whenever we declare the pointers, then what will happen? P will be one variable, Q is another variable. Of course, I just ignored the one, but I have to provide here. As these are variables, obviously variables has some address, therefore I am taking the address as 2000 and 2001. Assume int takes 2 bytes, therefore two addresses will be provided. Which one is 2000 and 2001, two locations will be given to whom? Given to variable A. Same way, variable B, I am randomly taking, let us say 2007 and 8. These two variables, these two memory locations were to variable B. Good. Okay. So our object is what? Solving the problem using pointers. Whenever I declare the pointer, this is a scenario. We already discussed that p is nothing but what? A pointer. Therefore, it also contains some variable address, right? Let us say my address is like 4001. Same way 4003 and 4. Randomly I am taking, don't bother the values. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to solve which one is bigger between these two values. But we have to solve using pointers. Therefore, what we require, declaration is completed, assignment is required. What do you mean by assignment? Instead of solving a comma b, I have to operate it using p comma q. Meaning, I have to provide some connection between p and a as well as q and b. How to provide the connection? Very simple. Get that address to p, isn't it? Therefore, here I have to provide some statement called what? Address of A is given to P. Okay. Same way, address of B is given to Q. That's it. Program got modified. Whenever these statements are completed, or these statements, what will happen? Address of A, which is 2000, will be settled here. Whenever some variable receives the address, then it starts pointing to that location. Same way, address of B given to Q. So where I have to do address of B? What is address of B? 2007. Whenever address receives, obviously it starts pointing to that location. You see, now connection between P and A, Q and B. Now I can operate that directly. Instead of statement if, instead of the statement which is if A comma B, now this is no more A comma B, this is no more A comma B, this is modified as what? Value of P, isn't it? In the previous topic we discussed that P is nothing but address, but star P is nothing but value in that address. Therefore, how to compare star P greater than star Q? Okay, I have to provide if. If star P greater than star Q, then what I have to print? Printf A is greater. A is greater. Okay, else statement what I have to do? Else P is greater. That's it. This is a simple program. So once again I am repeating. First of all, what I have to do? The question is finding the greatest number between two given numbers. This is the regular procedure, but the question is using pointers. For that, what I have to do? Just like how we declare int a comma b, in the same statement you can write like this also. The same statement can be modified as int a b, of course pointer p, of course pointer q. This is first line. After declaring the values, I have to initialize the values. Initialize is nothing but what? Providing some value, also called as a assignment. So this assignment could be like this. I am taking a equal to 5, b equal to 7. In the same way, p equal to ampersand a, q equal to ampersand b, so that the relation between a comma p will be formed, or b comma q will be formed. Okay. After this, we have to compare the values. Okay. How to get the value? Meaning, I have to go to p and jump into that. Jumping is nothing but what? Star. So star p compared with the star q. If this is the case, A is greater, else b is greater. So this is how we have to solve problems using pointers. The simple fundamental we have to focus on this, how to declare and how to assign.